Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you make potato skins? First, bake some small russet potatoes for about an hour, or until softened. Cut the potatoes in half and scoop out the insides, making the skins. Leave 1/4 to 1/2 inch of potato on the inside of the skins. Brush the skins with olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. 21 July 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
3 to 5 days. For easy entertaining, you can make your potato skins ahead of time, saving the final heating until you are ready to serve them. Just keep them tightly covered in the refrigerator until ready for the final heating for serving. They should keep in the refrigerator up to 3 to 5 days without any issues. 31 July 2017.
Take our lead.
Preparation. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Thoroughly wash potatoes, cut in half, and slice into wedges. Toss wedges in olive oil and seasonings. Place on a baking sheet, skin side down. Bake 40 to 50 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes. Eat the skin to capture all the natural nutrition of a russet potato. The potato skin has more nutrients than the interior of the potato. It has lots of fiber, about half of a medium potato's fiber is from the skin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.